ideally is to set up a real estate fund the way I teach. And that real estate fund, we put for you that you're gonna actually invest in fund of funds. Fund of funds is other funds that take the money from you. It has to be clearly spelled out. So the SEC doesn't jump and says you need to become an investment advisor because you set it up to just invest in other people's funds. So if you want to do that, it's a great way for you you can raise the money first, put it in somebody else's fund. That's fine. They do it with me. So they can build enough cash and I help them raise the money so it's enough credibility, and then they can branch out. But set it up like this, like I suggest, like your own real estate fund that can invest in other funds, because eventually as you raise enough money, you may find out that I don't need these other funds. I don't need Cherif. I don't need anybody. I'm going to withdraw the money. I'm going to call the money and I can do my own deals. And my end goal is to free you up, not to tie you up to me. And you don't want to be tied up to somebody else who's going to park the money 5 to 7 years. Something goes wrong. Now you have to answer your investors for what they did wrong. Like these deals that are apartment buildings that now they can't even refinance because they started at 3% and now the interest is 7%. What are they doing? They're selling their assets at a loss. Look them up on Facebook. They're actually advertising all over the place. Take over asset, take over existing loan. We'll do subject to. Anyway.